everybody, this is Craig Hitchens here. I'm just going to take you through how to use the miHealth backend to learn how to use your miHealth device to its fullest extent, and also how to scan and set up your scanning software, and also all about the pharmaceuticals. So this is for new people who have signed up. So first of all, you start off, you'll go to the portal page and you'll have your sign-in information there. If you've forgotten your sign-in information, then it is very simple. You just simply go down there and click to reset it, and they will send you a new email. Okay, so once you've logged in, you'll have a screen that looks a bit like that. You want to go up here to the little Students tab and click on that, and then you'll get your education. So there's miHealth, how to scan pharmaceuticals. So for folks that have purchased a miHealth, you click on this and it will take you to a whole set of videos and information about how to use your miHealth device. So quick start guide, the user manual, how to use energetic rejuvenators, all the functions, function protocols, charts. To get a dated PDF to read those things, you can get that there as well. So there's all the bits and pieces in here that you will possibly need to know about your miHealth device. If you have any further questions above that, just get in touch with me or with NES directly, and they'll let you know. Alright, so how to scan. So if you've purchased miHealth and you're looking to set up and learn how to scan, you can use your miHealth device as a scanning device, or you can purchase a standalone scanning device. It doesn't really matter, it can be used either way. But either way, you're going to need to have the software. So that shows you here to go to the resources link, which is at the top of your page in your portal, and how to download everything. So if you just scroll through all of that and read through it stage by stage and follow it stage by stage, it will show you how to set it up and use it on your computer. If you don't have a computer and you're going to use the app from the app shop, it has all of that information here. Okay, with the mobile scanner if you want, if you're someone that's purchased one of those. So take the time to go through all of that, and it will explain all of that for you. The final one is the pharmaceuticals. So if you're inclined and you want to take the pharmaceuticals after you've had a scan, you decide, yes, I want to take the pharmaceuticals as well. This is a video that explains how and when to take your pharmaceuticals, the responses you can expect. Some people do get some healing responses from those, the ingredients that are in them, and so on. And there's also another lesson here on how to fill out the forms, the feedback forms that we ask you for. So there's quite a bit of advice and things in there that you can get. Remember that if you have to get hold of me, you can do that here or up here. And anything that you need, that you want me to organise for you to purchase, I will put into your shopping cart here. Okay, if you have any further questions, get in touch with me personally, and I will guide you through it. If you're too stuck and you really can't figure it out, the people at NESHealth are really quite happy to help you, and it's part and parcel of the deal. And remember that you all have access to this portal now for life, so it's yours forever. Okay, take care everybody, bye bye.